Hi, and welcome to Crafter Hours. In your kit, you will find a pamphlet with detailed instructions on how to complete today's project. You will also find a paint pot, a fabric paint, a tea towel, a potato, and a cute bookmark celebrating Latino Heritage Month. At home, you will need to use a brush, something to carve with, and a paper bag or paper towels. Step 1. Cut your potatoes. The longer cuts are great for longer runs, curvy designs, and borders. Cutting in fourths is ideal for smaller shapes. Step 2. Start with a tool with a point to sketch your desired design onto the potato. Once you get your desired shape, start digging deeper and remove the excess portion of the potato to get the shape. Leave at least a ½ inch of the shape for stamping. Step 3. Once your stamps are carved, cover your work area with a brown paper bag or a paper towel to protect it. For the next step, you'll have to bring out your brush and your paint. Open the paint pot and dip the brush into the paint. Be careful, potatoes can be slippery. Step 4. Use a brush to paint your stamp with a thin layer of stamping. First, test your stamp on the paper bag, add a little more color, and try embossing your tea towel. Today we are going to use our potato stamps to create a Talavera design. Talavera pattern has become one of the most famous Mexican patterns to date. It is best known from Puebla, Mexico, where Talavera pottery is still handcrafted. The name Talavera alludes to the city of Talavera de la Reina, the major producer of colorful mayolica, which is tin enameled earthenware from Spain from the 16th to the mid-18th century. Mexico's pottery making tradition is a highly skilled, time and talent-intensive process. You will see here that we are attempting a basic stamp shape that looks like a flower petal. We've already stamped the circle, and now we're going to just continue stamping. As you can see, you may want to iron your towel prior to stamping, or you will end up with a unique design like this. Step 6. Once dry, decorate your home with your newly stamped Talavera tea towel.